Guys, Bondo here. Got Kevin over here at this little pole barn. We're setting up to get ready. We're gonna do some grading. Ray Jr. brought us a load of nice crushed gravel, and this is how we were handed this barn. Not great, so we're gonna make it great. It's really low. A little low, huh, Ray? just a touch. She's ready for concrete. Yeah, we're gonna need to put some material in here, at least a couple loads, and then we got to get it around the outside because we need to at least get up onto that skirt board on the outside. So Redbone's setting up the laser right there, and we're gonna get Kevin going here and start shuttling in some material and get her done. Get her done 101. Like I'll show you around the outside here. It's really low. That skirt board needs to be kind of covered up a little bit, so we're gonna have to work our way right down around the whole thing here, all the way around the back too. I don't know why they put the skirt board so high. They could have dropped it down. I don't know why, but that's all got to be filled in. Otherwise our dirt just will run right out. We'll probably want to tamp it around the outside too. That's that, guys. Stay tuned. I'll show you how we prep these up, and if we're really good today, it's just Ray, me, and Redbone today. Biscuit hurt his back. Chris and Vince are over finishing a floor out that we poured this morning, so we'll see how we do. See if we can get it ready for tomorrow. We could get concrete tomorrow. Here comes our gravel. Ray Jr. bringing us a load of gravel. We got one gone. Here's our next one. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, boys and girls. It's gonna be beautiful. That's good, Ray. Hell yeah. We tamped all this, but let's load. Oh, 1.5 minus is what we call this stuff. 1.5 minus. Crushed gravel. They make this. They dig it right out of the ground and process it. It's really nice stuff. Packs really good. Oh, that's a beautiful thing, boys and girls. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Oh, dandy rock there. That's a dandy. Well, that's got lots of rocks in it. A lot of rocks in there. That's good stuff. Bang. Oh, his doesn't slam in like the other ones. Got her done. She's ready for tomorrow morning. Ro, quiet, buddy. Ro's mad. Thinks I'm leaving without him. 30 wide, 34 deep. All prepped and ready to rock. Just me, Ray, and Redbone. Even tamped his driveway for him. That's the way we roll. We got this all nice out here. Nice grade away from his barn. Looks way better. Tamped it in there so that his poles won't move when we tamp the inside. All the way around. That's the way we do it. Get this all tamped. And we're out of here. We will see you tomorrow morning. We got 17 and a half yards coming. The boys are loading up the tool bus. And we out. Morning, guys. Bondo here. We're back over here at the little pole barn job. And we're gonna get her poured out today. So, should be a good morning. Like I said, it's 30 wide, 34 deep. Nice little easy one. We're gonna use a conveyor, so we should be able to get a lot of this. The first truck will probably have 10 yards on it, and we'll knock this out with the conveyor. Should be a good day. Nice easy little pour. And she's all prepped up nice, so homeowner's real happy because he was in a hurry. And we made it happen for him, so that's always good. I didn't think we could get it done this week, but we knocked her out. We poured concrete every single day this week. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow we got another pour, so I'm batting 100 this week. Stay tuned. Here comes the mud. Whoop, whoop. Hey, I'm gonna make some money this week. Yeah. There's my old buddy Sean. What's up, Sean? What are you drinking, brother man? You gotta wait for traffic here. Oh yeah, we're golden, baby. Circle T, baby. In the house. Sean is in the house. He's gonna make our day nice and easy. I don't want to say easy. What's happening, brother? This here is a conveyor truck, guys. If you haven't seen it on my channel, it's basically a conveyor belt. Just dumps right on it. He's gonna swing that hopper over. It's a rear discharge truck. Regular old rear discharge type of truck, and he dumps right onto this conveyor, and it just comes right down, boom, boom, boom. It's all telescopic, and it's got that boot on the end there. Pretty cool, works really good. So we don't have to wheel this today. Big Biscuit's back is killing him, so basically gonna save from wheelbarrowing it. It costs about $400 to use this truck, guys. But, it's definitely well worth it. Sometimes we can't get it. They got two of them. Come on, Red. Don't hurt yourself on camera. All right, guys, stay with us. Having some difficulties, guys. The belt is rubbing on something. Got a lot of belt dust on the ground there. You can't really see it, but that's all rubber right there. Not good. We got something going on here, guys. The belt ain't even spinning now, so we may have to switch gears here and wheelbarrow this bad boy. That's why we always bring our Brentwoods with us right there, because you never know. Red's over there getting the Brentwoods ready. Sean, we can wheel it. We'll just have to get some chutes on you and pull that in. Not gonna be great, but we'll do it. Stay tuned, guys. We may be wheeling this bad boy. Hey guys, I think we got it fixed. Alright guys, I think we're gonna make it with the mud. He's not empty. He's almost empty. He's definitely rattling. Just gonna pull that wet screed over to the door and then boom, right out with it. That's the game plan. I think he needs a little bit. Definitely grab him. Oh, look at that. Take a look at that. Oh, yeah. Take a look at that. We got a win today, boys. We got a win. Oh, yeah, because look how bony it is. That's how you can tell he's almost empty. He's bony.
That was like all raw.
Need a little splash more. Nobody close. once they get their feet out of there. Might need just a splash, Scott. I don't know. We might need a tiny bit. We're still just hold tight. Right in the wood. I think they're gonna need just a freaking whisper. You got some in your chute? We can scrape your chute out. Yeah, if we scrape your chute, I think we'll have it. Alright guys, I'm back over here. Gonna get paid from the customer. So I'm gonna show you the finished product here. Everything's all cut and sealed. I told him to keep it wet, so I'm sure he's been doing that. Pretty dark in here, but it's looking nice. Looking nice. It's got some yellow on it from the pollen on the trees. That's what that is. It's like pollen on the trees will wipe straight off though. Because there's a sealer on here. We did seal it. And broom lined the doorway where the door comes down. Yeah, he's really happy with it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Smash the like button. Give me a mean or nice comment. I'll take them, either one of them. And we'll catch you on the next one.